Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex Easy Set 15-foot by 42-inch pool set with filter pump and 3-inch chlorine tabs. Get everything you need in one package. This set is constructed of puncture-resistant 3-ply material and includes a 1000 GPH filter pump, ladder, ground cloth, and debris cover. Easy Set pools are easy peasy to set up and disassemble, faster than a framed pool. The pool also comes with a 25-pound bucket of 3-inch chlorine tablets, so you can enjoy clean, sparkling water all summer long. Product benefits. The easy setup design is ready for water in as little as 30 minutes, no tools needed. This pool is constructed with puncture-resistant 3-ply material. 25-pound bucket keeps chlorine tablets stocked for the entire season. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.